With post processes, we can render many effects that were previously done in post, and also use project parameters to create effects that we can't do in post. Let's load a project. In your WCS Projects folder, open up the Tutorials folder, YNP, and Post Project. Save it as PostTin. Activate the left view, render a preview. Go to the Render task mode and right-click the Post Processes category to add component of this type. Rename it Cartoon. Add Post Process Event and change it to Chromax. As soon as we click Preview Only, the Lake Sky preview will update with this post process. Let's add another post-process event. This time, let's see what Edge Ink does. Go down to the Event Type drop-down list, select Edge Ink, and at a 100% intensity, this is way too much for this view, so let's try 20% in the intensity value. Well, that's still not quite what we're looking for, so let's go ahead and disable that event. Add another post-process event, and this time choose the text overlay. This comes in very handy for documenting things about your project in the rendered view. Go to the Detail 1 page, and let's change the Y-center to 90. That will lower it in our view. On Detail 2 page, this is where we can enter our text to be put over the view. Let's start with latitude. And to enter the actual latitude of the camera, let's go down to the lower list and find camera latitude. There it is. Click it once, and that will click you out of the text overlay box here. So once you have done that, the view will update. And of course I lost it again here. And if we double click it, that adds it to the list, adds the code for it to the list, and once you do that, then the rendered view will update with the latitude of the camera. Let's type a couple of spaces, longitude. Same thing, come down here, click longitude to update the view, then double click to add the code, and now we have latitude and longitude. Last, let's do a couple spaces, bearing. Same thing. Find bearing in the list. Camera compass bearing, there it is. Click to set it, double click to add the code. There you go. Detail 1 page, let's increase the width on the X to 150 to stretch it across. And that takes care of the text overlay. Save the project.